Here are 7 tactics to get your website ranking better. Hey guys, welcome back. And today I wanna go over with you if you're stuck in a rut with your website and you can't get it ranking, or with a client's page and you can't seem to get it ranking, 7 tactics that we're using internally, just look at these graphs here, to get our clients' websites ranking. And not only, we've been in a rut with ours and we found some tactics that helped us get it out. Let's jump right into it. Here's the 7 things we're gonna cover. Number 1, run a deep research audit with ChatGPT. Number 2, change your page links right away. Number 3, optimize for what Google actually rewards. Number 4, win SERP features with schema. Number 5 is what I call the grab and take method. Number 6, a tactic we developed from the Google algorithm leak. And number 7, review internal linking. Let's jump into the first tactic. Go to ChatGPT and go to deep research. What I want you to do is enter in your domain there. I want you to type in, take my domain and compare it to the top 3 competitors, or you can take a specific domain on your website to do this. After you do this, what ChatGPT is going to do is to give you an in-depth research of the differences of why your website might not be ranking compared to your competitors. Take those insights and institute them into changes on your webpage. Now you might be thinking, how do I use this? Ask it questions about your page, ask it questions about your content, ask it questions about your linking. And if you do any of those that go to your website, use deep research because it will go out and search your website. Moving on. The second one, this is really easy. Just change the link on your page. If your page isn't ranking, maybe Google just doesn't like the URL that you're using. Don't even change any of the content at this point. See if by changing the URL on your page, if Google even recognizes the page. Also go take that URL and submit it right into your Google Search Console so that Google will be notified that that page is ready to be reviewed. All right, I'm gonna tell you a secret, so stick around because in this video, I'm gonna give you a behind the scenes look at one of the tactics that we developed from the Google leak algorithm. Number 3 is just one of those hard old age tactics. Take the term that you're trying to rank for, type it into Google and go through and look at the Google results that show up and see what Google's favoring. Take that information and manually use your big brain and SEO mind and go back to your page and make changes accordingly to what Google is favoring. I highly suggest using ChatGPT or a like LLM to review what you're putting on your page and to help you optimize to make that page rank with already what Google's ranking. What better than just to look with what's out there? Put your boots in the ground, put your SEO hands and see what's already ranking and apply it to your page. Number 4 is what I call diversity ranking. What that means is that aim to rank for more than just the organic page. So maybe you're trying to just rank in the organic listings. Go and target the schema specifically. Look at what facts, what images, what videos, along with other items are showing up in the Google search, and go back and optimize your page for those facts schema or for the other schema that are on the page. By doing this, you give your page a much higher level of possibility in ranking. As time goes on, we all know, and I'm going to segue here for a second into talking about why LLMs are super important to the future of SEO. Google doesn't own the market anymore. We all know that, or we should. Sorry if you're out of the circle. And what this means is that Perplexity, ChatGPT, among other LLMs are ranking websites and people are using them. We're getting leads right here. If you look at this screenshot, this is just from the other day and this could be a $15,000 to $30,000 lead for us. And people found us on Perplexity. So no, Google is not owning the market anymore. So set to diversify, and schema is the greatest way to do that because schema is the primary thing that these LLMs are looking at, as far as we can see, to rank and find information on the web pages. So diversify your strategy on your page. Don't just try to show up in the organic ranking. Number 5 is what I call the grab and take method. Rewrite and update content. Review your competitors' pages. See what on their pages is making their pages better. What's keeping the user there? Why is Google favoring it? What internal links go to the other pages on their website? Use that as a point of reference, go back and overview your page and format it, grab and take from those pages and write it in your own way, and that will help your page from a content perspective. You don't know what at this point is exactly what not making it to rank, so start there, rewrite all the content, submit it to Google, and move on from there. Okay, number 6. This is the secret. All right, I'm back. What I want you to do is go into ChatGPT, click Deep Research, take the link below for Google Search Central, and paste that into ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT exactly this. Please analyze this link for Google parameters on how to best rank my website pages. Let it do its deep research. It will update you when it's done. And from there, you can use this as your ChatGPT all-knowing for SEO. And finally, number 7, last but not least, look at your internal linking. One of the strategies that we have out there, I have a video, I will link it right below. It's right here, is the silo stacking method. This is where essentially you have a main head of a page, a topical content page, and you have a bunch of other sub pages that support this main idea of content. Make sure all of your internal linking is juicing up other pages. And no, I'm not talking about the juice. When you do this, what it tells Google is that these pages are related to this main page. And not only, it builds out what's called topical authority. And the more topical authority you have, the more you cover and expand and keep talking about a subject, the more Google is going to attribute your website for knowing a lot about that thing that you want to rank for. So review your internal linking. All right, guys, thank you so much for sticking around. It's Caleb Nation from Nation Media. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please like and subscribe below, and y'all have a great week. See ya.